Hello everyone. Welcome back. I am your host Mohammed Arshad. And today we are going to see what is JavaScript Keyup event listener and how to use it. Before we begin, I request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Now let's get started. The Keyup event listener occurs whenever a user types and then releases a key on the keyboard. This can be used to make your website's login page look creative and a lot more professional. Let me show you what I am talking about. Now, if you look at the welcome section, it says welcome user. But as soon as I type something in the input field of username, the welcome section changes to what I have typed. Isn't it cool? As the design is very simple, so I am not going to cover the designing part in this video. But if you still want the designing part, you can comment down. I will surely make a tutorial on that. Now, let's see how we can do this. Now, as you can see, this isn't working. Let's make it workable. Before we move to our JS file, let me quickly tell you what are the things which you have to make sure in your HTML file. First, make sure that you add a span tag inside your heading tag, just like this. And then make sure that you give IDs to your input tag and your span tag to select them in the JS file. And also add the Keyup event listener directly in the input tag, just like this. To add the Keyup event listener, just type on Keyup and the VS Code will suggest you. Press enter and name a function which we will create in our next step. Let's move to our JS file. Now just type function. And again the VS Code will suggest you the code. Choose the second one and hit enter. And name the function you mentioned in the Keyup event listener. Then press tab. And remove the parameters as we don't need any. Again press tab and now we can write our code here. First we will select our HTML elements by using the getElementById selector of JavaScript. To select the elements, we will make a variable with the same ID name. Type const and name the variable, then type equals to. And then write document.getElementById. And the VS Code will suggest you the code again. Hit enter and inside the brackets mention your element's ID. Now do the same with the input element. Make another variable with the name value. And then type equals to. And call the input variable. And then type .value. Basically we are getting the value of the input field. Now, call the name variable. And write .innerHTML to change the inner HTML of the element. And then type equals to and call the value variable. That's it. Now if I check it again, this will work. That's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Like this video and share it with your friends. Leave your comments down. I'll be right back with a new topic very soon. Thank you for watching.